Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add bots in Discord. So it's very simple. You just have to go to Chrome and just go to the website that is top.gg. So this is the go-to website to add bot on Discord. So here just search for Discord bots you want. So I'm going to search for Dank Memer. Just click on this, and here I'd like to just click on this adventure and click on invite. So this page will arrive, and here you need to just add to server, and this is your account. Just continue with it and authorize. So make sure you are not a robot, you are a human. Just click on this, and Adventure Frontier has been authorized and added to your server. So go to Connectify server, that is my account, and here I have added a bot. So in this way you can add bots on Discord. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe for more contents and do not forget to comment down below. Thank you.